Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to open device manage as administrator in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After opening the task manager, go to your new run new task and type devvmgmt.msc. After that, click on create this task with administrator privileges. Click open to, and now you can see that device manager is open as administrator privileges. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.